Hey everyone, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today we are boarding our cruise. Like my hat? It is day 7 on our cruise ship, which means we have a bit of a schedule by now. We were very overwhelmed when we first got on the boat because it was absolutely massive and there was so much stuff going on. But now that we've got the hang of it and we have 2 days left, I thought I would show you a little bit of what my daily life looks like on board. Now, of course, everybody's daily schedule on a cruise ship is going to be completely different, but this is my day on a cruise ship that I've kind of been doing every day. Of course, it does vary, but let's show you what I'm doing today. So every morning I wake up around 5:45, which I know you guys are gonna say, what? You are insane. And I do understand that, I do, but I like to kind of watch the sunrise if I can. And then I like to go to the pool deck to kind of reserve the primo chairs for the day. And then I go to the coffee shop that's on deck 4 and I get my tall vanilla latte made with almond milk, and I also get a Red Bull. And that's when I bring my computer and I do about an hour of editing every morning because somebody needs to edit these videos that you have loved watching so much. And then I will usually go upstairs and meet Kristen up in the buffet so that we can have a little bit of breakfast. And I do have my drink cup because I have the soda package, so I can get refills of pop, juice, water, stuff like that all day. So this is usually in my hands constantly. Now after breakfast is where things can get a little bit different, and that is where we are at current time right now. Looking at my phone, it is 8:38 in the morning and my morning stretch class starts at 9. And then right after stretch class is my fitness dance class that I've been going to every day. And you guys, I love it. Come on. This morning my classes are in the music hall, which is a fun like double-decker kind of music hall that sometimes has concerts and game shows, but is also for a dance class. My first of many dance classes today. Now I'm gonna go to the pool for a little bit before a belly dancing class. Deck 14, please. Time for belly dancing class. Back to the music hall. Switch to my very appropriate belly dancing outfit. Let's do it!
And up, circle and switch. Up, circle and switch. Faster, faster, faster. Pretty out. And
that was so much fun. That was probably my favorite class that we've done yet. Now it's time for some lunch by the pool. Ice cream is better. This is the boring part of the video because I'm just in the pool or the hot tub the whole time and it's so relaxing. Well, everyone just got kicked out of the solarium because apparently there's yet another medical evacuation. This is the 3rd one that has happened. And that's where the helicopter needs to go, so got kicked out of my good chair. So naturally I'm going back outside upstairs to see what we can see. I'm now downstairs about to eat lunch. I did lose track of time while I was in the pool and the hot tub, and I missed my other dance class, but I have been to several already today, and I do have flash mob class at 4:15. That was good. All right, now it's time for flash mob. I'm so excited to do a flash mob tomorrow. It's my first one ever. We've been practicing all week and we're gonna do it right before the karaoke finals. It's gonna be so fun. And I hope there's a lot of people there. And I'm gonna say this right now just to remind myself I need to be there at 2:30 tomorrow. Got it. I also got a guava drink because I'm on vacation and I love guava. Why not? Hello! And now is the part of the day where I transition into the evening. Our dinner is normally at 8 and there's always a lot of really fun stuff to do before, during, and after dinner. Typically we always eat in the dining room, but tonight we're actually going to skip it and just eat whenever because there's a lot of really fun stuff going on. So let's go get ready. Just got out of the shower and now is when we get ready and we usually have a dance party. Let's do it. So we're all ready for our evening, and this is when we just kind of walk around the ship and wander and see what there is to do. Tonight we have reservations for something called the North Star at 6:40, which is this big arm, this big glass ball that kind of goes up and around the ship for 16 minutes. And we're really excited. We booked it as late as we possibly could. And then what else do we have tonight? There's some sort of show. There is lip sync battle finals. And then we have an 80s dance party, guys. Going in this thing. Whoop. Look how high it is now. How are you feeling right now? I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but I'm not a quitter. The highest we're going to be is 300 feet above sea level. All right, it's time for lip sync battle finals, and I am so excited because there's some really funny people on this ship, and I'm skipping dinner for it, so it better be good. So much fun to watch and to lip sync to in the audience. I wish I could get up there and do it myself, but I'm a little too nervous and stage fright, but fun nonetheless. All right, guys, I just came back to the room before we go to our 80s dance party because, no offense, but I don't want to bring this huge camera to this awesome, fun dance party with all of our friends that we have met on board. So I'm going to end this vlog now. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope that you found it interesting, especially if you haven't been on a cruise before. There's always so many amazing activities to be able to do on a cruise. And like I said, you can lay in your room all day, you can lay by the pool all day, or you can go do every single activity. And that's kind of more my style, with a little bit of the pool stuff mixed in too. But it was so much fun, and especially getting to meet people. I'd say about 95% of the people on board are from Australia. We are the only Americans that I have met on this ship, and we're having so much fun with everybody. And now we're gonna go dance. Thanks so much, you guys. Hope you're subscribed to this channel. All right, gotta go dance now. Bye.